Nobody. Gasoline when water falls on it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you today?
Yes, hello. I have blue balls.
Sorry?
My balls are blue. You see my bill? It says 5,434.56.
There's no mistake, that's the amount.
No, but I only use an electric blanket.
I don't like ketchup. Ela desce, ela sobe no baile, é pressão.
What kind of... Damn. Oh my god! This burger is massive!
Burger.
I'm sorry, did he just say that his last name is
Burger.